It's 11:30 and we are beginning our hike to the top of Manitou Incline.
Tired.
Look, Joseph's usually ahead of me. He's right here, right in front of me. He is tired. Oh my gosh. What the heck?
We're not even 1:4. We did like 1:16.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, we're not even like at halfway. Oh, wish us luck. From this angle, the incline. so intimidating. Stop laughing. How are you?
It's so hard to breathe.
Oh my gosh, look. That's all we did so far. And we have all of that to go. Holy moly. We're not even halfway there. But this is Struggle City. Oh my god. Look. I'm sweating. But it's 11:50 now. And we kind of made it halfway. But we have the hardest part left to go. Oh my gosh, look, I'm sweating. Hard work. Sloan City wins the race. Let's go. Come on, Joseph. Help us. You ready, Joseph? Joseph, are you ready? This Manitou Incline is no joke. Every time I video, it doesn't get any better. Help.
Come on, Michelle. You can make it. You still have all of that to go.
Oh my gosh. My legs are on fire. Here, we still have this much to go. This video does not give this incline justice. Oh my god, I'm gonna put my sunglasses on. I'm just kidding. Alright, so it is now 12:30. We are dying. We still, it doesn't look any better.
They say it's about 20 more minutes.
Yeah, less than 1,000 steps to go. So let's go.
He said he's gonna take a break with you. See? It's your chance to beat him, Michelle. Go. Almost there. 50 more steps. Michelle the dog. Finally at the top.
We died. So, me and Joseph finally made it. What time is it? 12:44.
An hour and 15? It took us an hour and 15.
About an hour and 15 minutes to hike up Manitou Incline. Our first.
I'm never coming back here.
This is the view.
That's what they say. It seems like a lot more.
Check out this view.
I feel like 5 miles.
All the people. We're Manitou. On the way to the Manitou Incline Connector Trail. Barr Trail. We tied. Alright, so we just took some pictures So now we are going down Barr Trail. It's 1:06 p.m. and let's see how long it takes us to get down to the top, to the bottom of the mountain. When we go hiking, he always leaves me behind.
My fault, you're slow. Forever and we're going downhill.
No, you can't be careful, okay? You can't be careful.
I wanted to go down the stairs. You didn't want to.
Okay.
Yeah, I said it.
Look at your hair. Look at your hair. Look, everyone on my vlog, look at his hair. You're so annoying. Poor Air Max Diaz. You guys are all dirty now. And look at Joseph's shoes. His frees are all filthy now too. Yeah, the white and black ones. We are going downhill, which is so much easier than uphill. Look, I can't even talk and sing to the camera.
What did you eat today? I'm out of bread.
Oh yeah, we only had bread. It's like fasted cardio. Yep, fudge. And iced coffee. Got this view. Oh my gosh. I swear, someday I'm gonna fall trying to record and try to catch up to Joseph. Look at me go. Woohoo! Look at us go. Oh, there it is. It's our end point. At least this is a lot better than going down the stairs. Yes, it is.
You're just a scum.
I know. Alright. It is 1:43 and I am feeling fine. What about you, Joseph? Oh, he's hungry. Literally the only thing we had today was a Thomas English muffin with peanut butter and some of his Heath iced coffee from Dunkin' Donuts and fudge that we got from the top of Pikes Peak and water. And it's already in the afternoons. We're literally doing fasted cardio because everything that we probably consumed so far has probably been burnt off. Okay. Alright, got 1 mile left. Let's go! I think I can catch up to him. I think I can catch up to the dog. Oh, we're getting left behind. We're getting left behind. I don't even know who they are, but I'm gonna keep up with them. I think we're almost there. So we are about half a mile from the bottom, and check out this beautiful view behind me. Woo! So green. Hello, Joseph.
Hello.
Alright, so we are here. I don't know what this place is called, like the trading post area, but we are here to go find some food. Joseph is ahead of me, as always. Yeah, alright, so we are here at Baba's Burgers and Gyros, and then we both got the classic gyro. I got feta cheese, he didn't, and a side of garlic fries. We are starving, so let's eat. Alright, so we are at Manitou Springs, and we just bought something here from Colorado Custom Company. Let's see, Joseph, what do you think of it?
It's not to die for.
It's not to die for, like Yelp said.
Like, I don't know. The apple pie is not. I think it's the part of it.
We never have a good review from him.